Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we going to checking out 5 best 9012 headlight bulb you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best 9012 headlight bulb in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is TechMax HIR2 9012 fog light bulb. The TechMax 9012 light bulbs stand out as an impressive upgrade for anyone seeking superior visibility and modern lighting for their vehicle. Offering 600% brightness compared to standard halogen bulbs, these fog lights ensure a clear, crisp 6500K white light. The wireless, plug-and-play design makes installation a breeze, even for those with minimal technical experience. Equipped with a built-in fan, the bulbs stay cool during operation, extending their lifespan and maintaining optimal performance. Designed for direct insertion, these bulbs are simple to install without requiring additional wiring or tools. Engineered with high-quality materials, these bulbs are built to withstand various driving conditions. The pure white light enhances visibility while giving vehicles a sleek, contemporary appearance. The 600% brightness boost transforms nighttime or foggy driving into a much safer experience. The bulb's brightness dramatically improves visibility during foggy or low-light situations, making driving safer and less stressful. True to its plug-and-play promise, the bulbs can be installed in minutes, fitting snugly into most standard fog light sockets. The integrated fan ensures that the bulbs run cool, avoiding performance issues and prolonging their lifespan. Our second best 9012 headlight bulb is Foreigner 9012 HIR2 bulbs. The 32,000 lm output and 900% brightness increase ensures that these bulbs provide exceptional lighting, cutting through fog, rain, or dark environments. Perfect for improving night driving safety. Equipped with a high-speed 18,000 RPM cooling fan, these bulbs ensure that they stay cool even during extended use, preventing overheating and ensuring long-lasting performance. The IP68 waterproof rating means these bulbs can withstand harsh weather conditions, from heavy rain to snow, ensuring they work reliably in all environments. These bulbs are easy to install with a plug-and-play design, making it hassle-free for anyone to upgrade their vehicle's lighting without complicated wiring. The 6500K color temperature produces a clean, cool white light that not only improves visibility but also adds a sleek, modern look to your vehicle. The 32,000 lm brightness is truly impressive, offering a level of clarity and illumination that's perfect for night driving, especially in challenging conditions like fog or rain. Third pick in our list is Hikari 9012 HIR2 dual beam LED bulbs. The 20,000 lm brightness transforms night driving, providing excellent visibility that allows you to spot hazards earlier. The Core 12 LED technology ensures a precise beam pattern, minimizing glare for oncoming drivers while maximizing road coverage. The IP68 waterproof rating ensures the bulbs perform flawlessly in heavy rain, snow, or dusty conditions. They're built to handle extreme temperatures, ensuring reliability no matter where your journey takes you. These bulbs feature a straightforward plug-and-play design, making installation quick and hassle-free, even for those with minimal experience in vehicle maintenance. The 6000K cool white light enhances visibility and reduces eye strain during night drives. It also gives your vehicle a sleek, modern look that rivals OEM LED setups. Designed for versatility, these bulbs serve as both high and low beams, making them a convenient, all-in-one solution. The 6000K color temperature produces a clean, modern white light, offering excellent clarity and an upgraded aesthetic for your vehicle. 8T45W per bulb. They offer excellent energy efficiency while maintaining high output, reducing the strain on your vehicle's electrical system. Number 4 in our side is Philips 9012 HIR2 halogen headlight bulb. The Philips 9012 HIR2 offers adequate brightness for most standard driving conditions. While it may not rival LED or HID bulbs in intensity, it provides consistent illumination with a well-defined beam pattern that reduces glare for oncoming traffic. Philips' reputation for quality is evident in the build of this bulb. It performs well under standard driving conditions and is resistant to vibrations, making it a durable option for everyday use. The bulb emits a warm, natural white light, which is less harsh on the eyes and suitable for night driving. However, it lacks the crispness of modern LED or HID bulbs. The bulb's plug-and-play design ensures a quick and simple installation process, even for those with minimal automotive experience. Affordable pricing makes this bulb a practical choice for budget-conscious drivers. Features a plug-and-play design, making it user-friendly and hassle-free for most vehicle models. Provides clear and steady illumination, improving visibility during nighttime driving or inclement weather. Designed to meet or exceed original equipment standards, ensuring compatibility and reliable performance. Built with durable materials to offer a reasonable lifespan for a halogen bulb, minimizing the need for frequent replacements, the Philips 9012 HIR2 standard halogen headlight bulb is a dependable, cost-effective solution for drivers looking to replace their headlights without investing in higher-end options. Last in our best 9012 headlight bulb list is Sylvania 9012 halogen headlight bulb. The Sylvania 9012 Silvastar Ultra High Performance Halogen Headlight Bulb is a premium choice for drivers who demand enhanced visibility and safety on the road. Known for its brightness and advanced technology, this single-pack bulb is designed to provide an exceptional driving experience, especially during nighttime or adverse weather conditions. Offers maximum brightness among Sylvania's halogen options, significantly improving visibility down the road, enhances contrast and clarity by producing a wider light, making objects easier to identify in the dark. Functions as a high beam, low beam, or fog light replacement bulb, offering versatility, engineered for reliability and longevity, ensuring consistent performance throughout its lifespan. Features a plug-and-play design for straightforward replacement without professional assistance. The Silvastar Ultra delivers a noticeable improvement in brightness compared to standard halogen bulbs. The increased down-road visibility is particularly beneficial for highway driving, allowing more time to react to potential hazards. Its wider light provides a modern look while improving contrast.